Hey everybody, my name is Manny Swan, and today I'm going to be showing you the ARACOM Power Attenuator. First thing I'd like to do is show you how to plug it in. So we're going to zoom in on the unit and take a look. Okay, we're looking at the back of the unit, and on the left side is where we plug in the head. I'm using a Marshall 100-watt head from the early 70s, and we set the input impedance of the head, and the other side we've got the speaker cable. Picture of a speaker makes it real easy, and then you set the impedance of the speaker cabinet. Something that's wonderful and unique to the ARACOM attenuator is you're able to select the impedance on each channel, so you can virtually use it with any head, any amp, any cabinet. There's no other attenuator that does this. It's a really great feature, and again, you can use it with any combination of head and speaker cabinet, whether it's your super reverb cabinet from the 60s or something you just bought from the store. Okay, so I've got the impedance selectors set to the proper numbers. I'm going to turn the head on, and we're going to hear what it does. Okay, here we go. I'm going to be using a Relic Stratocaster with stock output pickups. The cabinet I'm playing through is a Marshall 412 with G12H 30 watters. We're going through an early 70s Marshall 100-watt head. Okay, so we're plugged into the 100-watt Marshall, and it's in bypass mode. One thing I forgot to mention was it does have a bypass mode, and also the unit can handle up to 150 watts. Okay, so 100-watt Marshall, non-master volume, real loud, real clean. We're going to put it into attenuate mode. And we're going to turn it up, so we use the power section of the amp to make it sound sweet, warm, fat. We're going to attenuate it down even more. I'm going to flip the unit around later so you can watch the different step downs of attenuation. And we're going to turn it up even louder to get more saturation, more power amp distortion. If we want, we can even attenuate it further, way down. And still maintain some wonderful tone and all the touch sensitivity that you expect out of an amp that's turned up very loud without blowing out your eardrums. Okay, and now we're going to basically turn off the attenuator or bypass it so you can see how loud the amp was and how it sounds straight through. Woo! This is going to be loud. Your neighbors will not like this. Now I can feel that in my spine, so I'm just going to turn it off, and we're going to move on to another amp. We're going to go through a 66 Deluxe Reverb. Same guitar, same cabinet, same attenuator. And we're set at lower volumes. Now we're going to bring in the attenuator. We're going to turn the amp up a little bit, say to 5. I was just barely on 2. Level of attenuation. Now we're going to bring it into 3 or 4 more steps of attenuation, and we're going to go up to 7 on the volume, see what it does. that's what a tube amplifier is supposed to do for you. Now we're going to attenuate it down even further to a really low level. Bring it up a little louder, just to give you an idea that you could play a tube amp that's clean in your bedroom.